Hi there! Welcome back to Wisconsin Cheese Mart. Today we're talking about high temp cheese. What is high temp cheese? How do you use it? Fear not, I have the answers. High temp cheese is a cheese with a very high melting point, 400 degrees Fahrenheit to be exact. Compare this to traditional cheeses whose melting points are between 130 and 180 degrees. The difference is how long the cheeses are dried after pressing. High temp cheese is dried much longer than traditional cheese, which makes it more resistant to heat. You can use high temp cheese for any number of things. Burgers, homemade sausages, you could even make cheese-filled rolls. The only limit is your imagination. The benefit of using high temp cheese in your cooking is that because of the high melting point, all the cheese flavor stays put as opposed to traditional cheeses that will cook off and evaporate as the heat rises. The result is a cheesier dish that is packed with flavor. Try it out for yourself. You can find high temp cheese on our website, thecheesemart.com, including the pepper jack and cheddar used today. A link is in the description. Thank you for joining us here at Wisconsin Cheese Mart. We'll see you next time.